everyone, my name is Gravy and welcome back to hear another poem. I cannot believe we are in April. I think April started last week, but for some reason I was not here for that. So today I want to read a nice, delightful, short poem about April and dogs. Today's poem is called April is a Dog's Dream by Marilyn Singer. April is a dog's dream. The soft grass is growing. The sweet breeze is blowing. The air is all full of singing, feels just right. So no excuses now. We're going to the park to chase and charge and chew, and I will make you see what spring is all about. Now, you may have heard that and thought, what does that have to do with a dog's dream? Dogs like to go outside. And when it is winter, humans find a reason to not go outside because it is cold and dark and snowy, and it is not as fun to go outside when it is cold and dark and snowy. But in April, it starts warming up again. The sun is out and it is warmer and everything feels nice because plants are growing back again. So it is a great time to take your dog to the park. As long as you are safe, of course, but it is important to step outside once in a while and enjoy the outdoors. If you are nervous about going outside to a park or a lake, just take a couple steps outside your door right now and take a deep breath in through your nose. It is amazing what fresh outside air will make you feel. It makes me feel happy. Not only happy because I get allergies, but also for my plants. My plants need lots of sun to grow, so seeing the sun means my plants are doing nice and well, and that makes me happy. Achoo! That is all for this week's poem. Stay tuned next week for another poem. I am going to take my plants and we are all going to take a deep breath outside. Until next time.